Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to put your YouTube videos as a draft, not with the visibility of private or unlisted or members only or public. Simply I want to put my video while uploading in draft. Okay. So in order to do that, right, what you need to do is once you finish all the setups, okay, all the instructions you have updated, then come to visibility. It can be private or unlisted. But if you want to still save it as draft, simply you need to close this, okay? Save and close it. That's it. Save and close, which means it will be in draft. So I'm just going to put it in the draft. So on this content page, right, you can see whether it is public. I mean, the visibility is draft or public. You can check it here. So if you want to publish it, right, just simply you can click on that icon and it will pop up, and then you can update whatever the tags you want. You can add the tags and then go to visibility. Still, if you want to put into draft, then you can just save and close it, or you can choose public and publish it. So that's it. From this way you can put your YouTube uploads in draft. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.